Welcome to Maildesk, the super solution that lifts your Odoo to the next level. Fast, powerful, and ready to roll? Let's go! In this video, we will see how to use the email composer. It is always available on the right-hand side of the menu and can be opened easily. First, we choose the address from which the email will be sent. Then we add recipients in the to, CC, or BCC fields. Next, we write the subject line. For example, Test Email Alexander. The composer window can be moved freely around the screen. It can be resized, made wider, narrower, taller, or shorter, so it perfectly fits the way we want to work. With the help of ChatGPT, we can generate the email content. We click Insert, and the text appears directly in the composer. Attachments can also be added very easily. Here we upload several files and we can see them inside the email. We can also insert a signature. It is immediately added to the bottom of the email. It is possible to open multiple composers at the same time. For example, let's create another email. Test Email Johannes. Each composer can be maximized to full screen, minimized, reopened, or closed at any time. The content of any composer can always be saved as a draft. Saved drafts appear in the Draft section. When the email is ready, we send it. After sending, it appears in the Sent folder, where we can see the message along with its attachments. Attachments can also be opened directly from the email. For example, the images we just sent. If we want to reply, we click Reply. The content of the original email is automatically included. We can also add more recipients in CC or BCC. There are several reply options: reply to the sender only, reply to all recipients, or forward the email. When forwarding, the original message is automatically shown below. Each message also has quick action buttons, reply, and forward. And by right-clicking on an email, we open a menu with all available options: reply, forward, reply to all, and more. Activate the module and feel the difference. Less chaos, more results, and one screen instead of dozens of tabs. Maildesk, email that works for you.